So now we are going to section 3. On section 3, our counting will be start from N. N 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in section 3, on section 2, we are end of here. Okay? 7, 8. So, N 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? So, here 7, 8, and N1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the section 3. So let me do again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we are going to the last section, section 4. Section 4. So on section 3, we are end of here. This is the section 3 is 5, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the last section. So now we try to dance with the slow music, 0.75 speed. Yeah. One, two, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So now we are trying for the normal speed. Okay? One, two, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the video I make it for where I breathe in and breathe out, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And breathe in, breathe out. And breathe in, breathe out. And breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And breathe in, breathe out. Okay? So once you know the choreography and you can naturally coordinate your breathing, try stop thinking about the counts. Instead, to listen to rhythm, feel the music, understand the meaning of the lyrics. When your movement, breathing, and emotions come together, and I believe you will discover the true beauty of Chinese dance. Yeah, you will love it and you will love to dance. Okay? So, thank you for watching.